Mental calculations use only the human mind in order to find a solution to a mathematical problem. The human brain is used as a calculation tool, and the end results are determined from a mental computation of the arithmetic data itself. A calculator or computer is not used to find the end result of the arithmetic problem. Techniques. Various mental techniques are frequently used to find a correct answer for a mental math calculation. These mental math techniques usually take advantage of the decimal and numeral systems. There are certain systems that may be used, and the method that is chosen is determined by the particular calculations that are being performed. A radix may be used for easy tasks that simply use a decimal point location to decide the correct answer for a math problem. Multiplying and dividing by 10 can be accurately done by moving the decimal point to the correct place within the numbers being used. A hexadecimal system needs to be used when the math problem uses other multiplying or dividing numbers. Using the number 7 as a multiplier or divider may create a more complex mental math problem. Techniques and other methods. There are other techniques and methods that may be used to find the correct answers to mental math arithmetic problems. The sum of the first 9 digits of a group of 9 numbers may be added, and this group of 9 digits is called an operand. This technique uses the sum of the digits and several other operations to arrive at a correct answer. This particular method is called casting out nines. This type of mental math calculation may be used after a certain number of practice sessions in order to determine the correct sequence of operations needed. Estimation and mental math arithmetic. A second method that is used for mental math arithmetic is a technique called estimation. This type of mental math uses a necessary scaling of the numbers. This estimation will instruct the mental math user to estimate the number of digits and to be aware of the expected number of digits for the correct answer. Counting the number of digits for the final answer can assure the mental math processor that the answer is within an expected range and has the correct number of digits. Factors involved. The characteristics of the operands involved will help to determine various features of the final answer. Multiplying 2 factors that each end in 5 will indicate that the correct answer should end in 5 as well. A number that is a multiple of 2 certain numbers may require that the answer be a multiplier of the 2 factors that were originally used. Prime numbers and prime factors help to determine the type of outcome for a set of multipliers as well. Guessing an answer. Guessing an answer may be used when certain amounts of information are known. A target number may be used in order to keep the final guess answer within a certain range of numbers. Multiplying from right to left. This method of mental math arithmetic is often used when the digits are small. The first 2 digits on the right are multiplied together, and the remainder is carried over to the next set of 2 digits on the left. This technique is repeated until the final number is determined. Multiplying by 5. This mental math arithmetic is a simple math calculation. The number is multiplied by 10 and then divided by 5. Mental math arithmetic uses this calculation frequently when the multiplier is a prime number such as 5. Psychological skill. Mental math arithmetic uses a certain amount of mental exertion and psychological skill in order to arrive at a correct answer. Mental and physical exertion must be exercised at a particular level in order to produce a certain performance level. Physical exercise tends to enhance mental performance as well. A mental workload may need a certain degree of physical activity in order for the performance to be correct and effective. Perception and motor ability have been correlated. Overexertion physically has been determined to have a negative effect on cognitive skill level. There tends to be a certain balance of cognitive and physical exertion that needs to be reached in order to produce a maximum outcome of mental performance. This mental performance level is needed in order to correctly perform certain activities.